Project management is another highly sought after skill in today's workplace. PMI, the Project Management Institute, is the standard bearer for project management skills worldwide. When you have a PMI certification, you are telling an employer that you know how to run a project and you can be compared to other project managers, in other words, your peers. If you don't have industry experience, you would want to start with the CAPM, that's a Certified Associate Project Manager. They're trained how to run a project from start to finish, and so a very good addition for any project team. If you already have project management experience, at minimum 3 years, possibly up to 5 years, depending on whether you have a degree or not, then the PMP is a certification for you. That is the Project Management Professional. Either way, certifications are there to validate skills and to help you to be more competitive in the job market.